In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Chrome Web Store. We'll keep it simple, and by the end, you'll be right where you need to be to find extensions and themes for your browser. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. The Chrome Web Store is built for Chrome, so this is the easiest and most reliable way to reach it. If another browser happens to be open, that's fine for browsing, but installing items later generally requires Chrome, so switch over now to avoid confusion. With Chrome open, head to google.com. Click the address bar at the top of the window, type google.com and press enter. Remember, the address bar also works as a search box, so you can use it for both web addresses and searches. On the Google homepage, click the search field and type Chrome Web Store. Press enter. You should see a result labeled Chrome Web Store. Before you click, take a quick look at the web address that appears under the title. You're looking for chromewebstore.google.com. That's the official domain from Google and the best way to make sure you're going to the legitimate store and not a lookalike site. Click the Chrome Web Store result. The page will load and you'll be taken directly into the store. That's it. You've successfully accessed the Chrome Web Store. Now that you're here, a quick orientation helps. At the top, there's a search box you can use to look up specific extensions or themes. You'll also see categories and collections that make discovery easier. Each item has a name, a star rating, the number of users, and a brief description. Clicking any item opens its details page where you can read more about what it does and see screenshots. If you're exploring, consider scanning the rating and recent reviews to gauge quality, and glance at the listed permissions so you understand what access an extension requests. If the store doesn't open, you might be on a work or school device with restrictions, or your network may be blocking the site. Trying again later or contacting your administrator can resolve that. Regional availability can also vary, which is normal. To recap, open Google Chrome, go to google.com, search for Chrome Web Store, click the official result, and you're in. You now know the fastest, safest path to the Chrome Web Store.